Scatman's World.
Bella raga, ciao a tutti, come per iniziare 20 14 Golden State Warriors, Utah Jazz.
6-4 il nostro score, 6 vittorie e 4 sconfitte, siamo quarti nella Conference Ovest, Western Conference. Vai. Hanno fatto delle grandi partite ragazzi, anche una doppia 16 punti e 11 assist, adesso non vado mai sotto il più con a livello di insomma col punteggio allenatore, quindi stiamo andando alla grande, insomma li registro non ci fai male, può essere una cosa abbastanza scontata. Ho migliorato tantissimo il personaggio nel tiro da 3, infatti adesso ho il simboletto 3 e nei tiri dalla media distanza, però veramente tanti punti, ho fatto anche una partitella in allenamento e mi ha regalato 1000 punti, quindi dominio puro.
Back to Jefferson. Now the pass to the chosen one. Nice ball movement by Utah. Just 5 on the clock.
Vai triplone e si comincia subito con un assist. 24 Utah, 12 Golden State. Che può essere anche GameStop, Utah versus GameStop. Devo stare calmo qua. Purtroppo ecco sempre ho la media di 5 falle a partita. Veramente un assassino. Green. Curry. Ancora buon fallo, cazzo, due falli. Una cosa positiva è ragazzi che ho una media di quasi due stoppate a partita, cioè una cosa devastante, sì che sono scarsissimo nelle stoppate, sono anche altissimo.
On the Knicks in his long trip to Madison Square Garden. He made 11 threes on that night and everything was dropping.
Williams, a screen on Curry.
Bravo, no! L'unica cosa che non capisco ragazzi è che ancora non ho il menu con Rookie of the Year, nel senso con l'albo d'oro, con dell'MVP, ste robe qua, ancora non ci sono cazzo. Hai successo qui quando non ho registrato. Cosa fa il Cumendone qua però? Cosa fa il Cumendone? Grandissimo, ha fatto curvata e punto subito, grande mezzo.
Well, if they can match that effort at the defensive end,
c'è il Rookie of the Year, no, non capisco perché non ho ancora i punteggi, forse vengono fuori dopo, non lo so, non capisco, neanche il giocatore del mese, invece sull'associazione che l'ho cominciata, è stupenda ragazzi, forse anche più bella del personaggio. No.
Here's the intentional foul, but you know it's coming here at a very inopportune time.
C'è già subito dall'inizio, quindi non capisco se spero che così non puoi anche non esserci.
Vasili's check in for Golden State.
Well, the Warriors going to the playoffs last season for just the second time in 19 seasons. Pretty incredible and remarkable too, but it seems, as Mark Jackson said, that things be a changing
in the Bay Area and for the better. Quando registro sono un po' più teso, ci sono le cose che penso un po' di più, faccio cagate.
Pass to Douglas. Now the dish to Green.
Faccio più Iguodala.
Now here's Iguodala. He's guarded
close. Come una roba battaglia provata contropiede. Rume. Ragazzi, non mi sono schiacciate perché non anche nella realtà, nel senso cerco di fare anche simile a come giocavo.
Boy, they've really amped up the pressure at the defensive end, guys, and have piled up the steals in the early
goals. Però le a me non piacciono tanto, mi piace appoggiarle di classe, scherzate, delle cose non da come, non da playmaker.
The Denver Nuggets in 6 games. They also, Steve gave the Spurs a lot of trouble in the second round.
They sure did. That series might have turned out a lot different if they hadn't collapsed in game 1.
Bello solo.
Really making that series so competitive.
Era un cioccolatino.
Definitely, I think he should have converted that one.
Iguodala with it. Now guarded by Rush. Green kicks to Iguodala. Pass to Ezeli.
Merda.
Douglas with it. Williams picks him up. A shot good from Douglas.
Sto difendendo bene, peggio del solito
Single
per
digits
adesso.
to the Warriors.
Cercando il livello puro, quindi in attacco è più basso rispetto ai Chicago Bulls, perché comunque sono ancora più scarsa, non ho usato diciamo tutti per prendere su di livello, grandissimo come. Quindi sono a livello pro. Però ragazzi è veramente dura.
With their approach, pounding the ball inside, and it's working.
They are owning this game early. They are
Chicago era
constantly finding lanes to the
o
basket.
All-Star, o vaffanculo Star.
Douglas dishes to Iguodala.
Iguodala.
Rush grabs the miss.
Bravi, vai qui.
He's been anything but his usual self this quarter.
Well,
he won't miss many of those,
porca
especially with
trota.
the defender not in
Contro
the
Piedazzo è bellissimo.
Dunk by
Smooth finish.
Well, he's certainly the one they want on the end of post break. Always
Il
finishes
nuovo Steve Nash.
Jefferson, that's for two. No good.
Provinciamo,
Trying to beat the
che
buzzer. And that concludes the first quarter of play.
prestazione
Jazz
normale,
out in front,
sicuramente non
leading by
devastante in questo
9.
primo
It's the
quarto.
NBA on 2K Sports from Oracle Arena in Oakland, California.
44-33 ragazzi.
And the pass to
Da
Nedovic.
solo.
Dishes it to Spates.
Occhio, difendi bene Kuma e niente da
It's good,
fare.
and the Jazz is cut down now
Bello
to just
questo.
9 in the bucket from
Occhio Fioi.
Nedovic. Last outing for Golden State, they won that game against the Thunder.
Yeah, it didn't seem to be much of a challenge for them in that
Crea
game.
più
It seemed
spazio
like,
per tirare da
they
3,
scored
ancora
and
fallo.
not much defense.
Per dei liberi un po' migliori
They
perché
had
gli
the
ultimi liberi
defense on
qualcuno
its
adesso
heels
piace.
early the entire game, and actually nearly the entire game, and no matter what unit was out there, looked like a mismatch to me.
So on the floor for Utah, the chosen one in its shooting guard. Jeremy
Che
Evans
sto
is out
uomo
there,
dell'anno,
Williams,
però
and
vorrei
it's
capire
Hayward, and it's Lucas in
bucano
the one
fuori le
spot.
statistiche
From the
perché
sideline,
tira
let's catch up with
coglioni,
Doris
fallo.
Burke.
Hi, Kevin. The chosen one in their last time out against the Spurs really lit up the floor. He had 18 points, and in
6 punti e 3
addition to his
siamo un po'
scoring,
sotto
he
media
also
rispetto
came away with a
alle altre
season high
partite,
for rebounds.
Non va bene.
He seemed to be
Io
everywhere on
cazzo.
the floor the entire time, and really was the star of the
Questa non
show,
si
Kevin.
accende però.
And thank you, Doris. It was a performance that has to
Bravo,
have their
come l'ha
upcoming
recuperata, è
opponents
passato un po'
terrified.
rischioso.
Well, I know this opponent should be terrified.
Bravo
because
Come, mamma mia, cosa ha fatto il talento veneziano.
Well, some of it will
Dalla
carry
Leyer
over.
aiuta,
That's
ragazzi.
inevitable. It's just a matter of how much.
Curry,
Curry kicks to Spates. Passes to Nedovic. Into O'Neal.
so con Neal.
So the
fallo,
whistle
ma
blows
non
on
è
the shot and 2 free throws for the contact right there.
Ridicoli.
After 17 years in the
Va
NBA, Jermaine O'Neal is still going. It's easy to forget he was once an all-star franchise big man for the Indiana Pacers. Jermaine could do it all. He could score it in the low post, could make the mid-range jumper, and also was a force defensively. But even though he's not at that level now, he can still help you.
Oh, la media di una palla persa, partita, ci sono andati. Quando registro è così.
Curry outside.
Mi spiace perché cazzo, ho abbassato la media di palle perse, ma è clamoroso questa partita. Voglio fare la giocata a Jeff Station. Bravo, bravissimo.
Utah again with the bucket. And for O'Neal at one time, a 24-point
8
per
punti,
game
3 assist
score.
per il Kun,
Here's
palla
what was all
rubata.
about defense, blocking shots in the lane.
Yeah, he's 6'11", 250 with a great knowledge of the NBA and how to defend and scouting reports.
Un bombone. Perché devono entrare in partita, cazzo.
Well, it's the edge they've had in that area on the glass that's played a big role.
Bravissimo Kuma, punto in contropiede strepitoso.
Guys that are strong and well put
Il
together,
Kuma
and
c'è,
they've
ragazzi,
used
il
that
Kuma c'è
strength
già
to their
10
advantage
punti.
down low.
3 assist.
Here's Nedovic.
Mangia, meno male che non è fallo del Kuma, non è meno male.
Guys, there were a lot of questions
Il
about
primo
what
anche
went
fuori
wrong
Sigori,
for
soprattutto
Utah
a
last year
playmaker,
as they saw
molto bene,
themselves
molto bene.
slip from a middle of the pack playoff team to being on the outside looking in at the playoffs. One reason was their play on the road.
Here's what Utah's going with right now. Favors comes in for Jeremy Evans, and it's Jefferson in for John Lucas. Williams, a screen on Curry. The chosen one passes to Williams.
Che azione! No, non ci credo. Non l'ho chiamata, che palle, punto per sbaglio.
And the Jazz lead by 13.
Bravi Fiori, intanto procedura del campo per
Hang off on
impugno.
the offensive boards, guys.
Now here's Curry. Not a lot of room. Pass to Nedovic.
C'è il blocco.
Green, the screen. 6 on the shot clock. Here's Curry.
Non entrare,
The
bravi.
shot will not go.
Bella
Nice
difesa
D
qua di
from
Utah,
Rush.
sta giocando molto bene.
As you said with the Jazz last year, getting wins on the road a big problem for them, and they just couldn't keep up in that.
Basta, ma non dovevi tirarla così, cazzo, stavo arrivando, madonna. Ecco, meno male che ha perso palla Golden State. Se siamo a questa media possiamo tentare il miracolo playoff.
And the Jazz making a
Bravo
change here.
Kume.
Andrews checked in.
Perché sono anche nel punto. Per il libero supplementare invece 2 tiri liberi.
You know, guys, even though the Jazz have been a
Primo
team
entra,
that's been
bravo
over
Kume.
500 for the last few years now, they've not been able to really make up any ground in
Neanche il
that tough
secondo,
Western
molto bene,
Conference.
come dalla linea della
Part of
carità
it
in
is
Cuba c'è.
because they lack
Dopo
a
i primi
go-to
2 errori.
scorer.
But for the Jazz, they have the size and strength to compete with teams in the West the last few years. But since Darren Williams left, they have been searching for someone that can
Merda,
carry
come è
offensive
scappato.
load late in games.
La sbaglia.
Exactly why they decided to trade on draft night for Trey Burke.
È importante vincere al Golden State.
When you don't have a player who can
San Francisco.
set the offense up, it's really difficult to get your offense going. That's why they've been down ever since Williams left.
Nice ball movement by
Triplone
Utah.
e va!
The chosen one.
Triplone
What
veneziano,
they've been able
grandissimo.
to do here is centered around his offense.
Warriors trail by 16.
Bravo, ci voleva su triplone.
Outside Curry. He kicks to Barnes.
Balzo.
Over to the wing.
Siamo il sesto uomo, quindi giochiamo tanti minuti, è un ruolo importante. Bravo, il balzo di Utah.
An 8 rebound advantage.
Utah facciamo partiti male, però adesso mi sta piacendo la squadra.
And that's certainly been the case today. Their rebounding has made a huge difference.
He got an advantage there off the pick and took it right in.
What a big-time mismatch it's been in the post. Where's the defensive adjustment? They're getting housed down there.
They sure are. You got to come up with something. A double team, maybe a substitution, but this is getting ridiculous.
And Nedovic kicks to Curry. No good off the back of the rim.
Well, he hasn't had much success shooting the ball, but it's not too late for him to get it turned around and start contributing.
No, ecco questo, non sopporto le palle perse,
And
Dio
up the
mio.
court come the Warriors on the break.
Grande Kume.
Rush with the steal. To the right side. Pass to the chosen.
Triplone e ancora triplone. Che cumendone, ragazzi. Mamma mia, Fioi, che devastante il cumendone. Qualcuno ha ruttato.
To end the run.
Ecco che arriva la stoppata. E arriva la stoppata. Jefferson.
No good. So as we can.
Guys, I'm here with Steph Curry, and Steph, what has the problem been defensively?
We're a step late, I think.
And now, brought to you by Sprint.
Questo stoppattone come... Eccolo qua, il cumendone migliore. Comunque la cosa che ho visto è con le grandi, però sono tante, per esempio ho giocato contro nelle ultime 5, ne ho vinte, con queste ne ho vinte 4. Però ho perso con San Antonio di 30, quindi purtroppo con le grandi faccio tanta fatica. 83-61. Ok. Stiamo dominando. Siamo un po' chiasti, proprio per fare le cose.
Barnes is out there with Maurice Spates, and it's Douglas in at the point guard position. So that's the group out there for Golden State.
Qua ho preso un stoppattone. Devo stare attento nelle penetrazioni, perché comunque non sono altissimo, non sono ancora forte da
I
vicino.
thought overall, Kevin, it was mostly the defensive effort that hurt them. Just no energy, no purpose.
Steve, I thought they were late on their rotations. They didn't really communicate well, and as a result, they paid for it. Well, they found the touch here in the second half from the field, and everything else we talk about, folks, rebounding, defense, all of that. This game is still about making shots. You got to put the ball in the
bellissimo, buon movimento di palla però. Passaggio per assist, non è assist, ma comunque va bene per la
His eyes were
squadra.
wide open there, guys. Excellent vision to see they had an open shot outside and get it there.
There's the feed to Barnes.
Barnes. Che ha una media di quasi 7 assist a partita, siamo a 3, cazzo.
And a foul called on the shot. Got him on the way up that time, so he'll shoot 2 right here.
Ok, il primo
And
va.
Harrison Barnes, a rookie last season out of North Carolina, guys. He started as small forward for the Warriors from day one. I mean, a pretty impressive accomplishment on a playoff contending team.
Brandon Rush. He's checked in for Gordon.
Oh! Ma che cazzo fai?
The block.
E la stoppata però, vedi ragazzi, è incredibile, le stoppate sono un fenomeno, non so il perché. Quello è bello. Però perdo troppe palle, cazzo. Vedi,
He dishes it to
quando
Favors.
comincio a perderne una ne perdo
Can't get it to
50.
go. Excellent D here by Iguodala. Clark, you just talked about Harrison Barnes last season. The Warriors' youngest open night starter, Steve, since 1995.
Yeah, he was solid, not spectacular early.
Occhio,
Knew
bravi.
what you were going to get
Dai che
from him
roba nostra.
defensively. He's a good spot-up shooter,
Rush.
but as the season wore on, Kev, he seemed to get more and more aggressive offensively, and he expanded
Bravissimi,
his game.
bravissimi. Mancano solo gli assist, fatalità oggi
Jefferson's got his second
non
bucket
stanno
of the
arrivando
night.
e mi dispiace
Well, you
perché lo
just can't
sapete
give
che per
them
me gli
that kind of
assist sono
position in the
fondamentali,
post.
più ancora
I
di
tell you what, when he gets it in that tight, he's going to bury those.
si fa 18 punti non è
Douglas
male. Quindi
dishes
sono
to
soddisfatto. Bellissimo da
Leans from
solo.
outside, and he hits the jumper for 2.
Dormita come
He
indiana qua.
certainly isn't the one to blame for them being in the hole. He's been on the money with his game.
Oh là,
Chosen one
bravo
passes to
Kuma.
Favors. That's good. Favors has got
Sicuramente con le
12
state
in
alla
the game.
difesa a puttane perché
So
sono
sure he
tanti modi
could
di
get it
recuperare.
turned around after that
Invece
poor
deve fare la
first
seconda
half,
doppia
but
doppia.
he's got it rolling here a little bit.
Hale Hoop.
Iguodala.
That's the epitome of
Dormita
teamwork
generale
right
qua.
there, Kevin, on the alley-oop.
Clark, what about the finish? Bringing it down with some thunder.
Yeah, lightning too.
Bravissimo Kuma, eccolo qua, questo è il Kuma che voglio. Quando il Kuma fa così, è devastante.
Boy, that's some physical basketball out
Perché
there.
si
I'm glad
cade
I'm
per
not
il
in the
migliore
middle.
italiano in
A
NBA.
hard pick and an assault on the bucket.
Old
Già il primo
school
anno.
stuff there.
There was a lot to like on that play.
That was a nice replay brought to you by Kia. Douglas kicks to Thompson.
No, qua abbiamo comunque fatto in maniera...
And it's blocked by Favors.
And in the paint, they have really
Vai
shown some
Kuma,
strength.
il Kuma c'è, Utah c'è, ragazzi, un nuovo campione forse nella
The
NBA.
energy
Come
steps, how the hustle game
Veneziano.
has been going for the Jazz.
Contested shots and block shots. Their bread and butter defensively. They're giving up no
Super.
easy looks.
And they're also really getting out in transition and scoring some hoops in the fast break tonight.
Iguodala's drive.
Iguodala.
Here's Spates.
Non vogliamo vedere le
Foul called on the
statistiche
shot. Got him on the way up that
per vedere
time,
un
so
po'
he'll
i capo
shoot 2
classifica di
right here.
Lega.
Maurice Spates,
20 punti ragazzi, forse è il record, non sono lì.
this time joining Cleveland. Now he
Questo
finds his
gioco è
way to
bello che
Golden
prende,
State.
Fiori, gioco abbastanza bene perché siamo a livello pro, quindi non è a livello devastante, ma voglio anche divertirmi Fiori perché comunque NBA è un gioco veramente duro, se non ti diverti diventa frustrante, lo
The
sapete
chosen one
ragazzi.
passes to Lucas.
Bene, una squadra veloce, giovane, mi piace, aiuta, anche se in realtà sicuramente non è una bestia. Occhio. Cosa va a fare?
Fouled hard that time. He'll get to the line and shoot 2. It's going to be on Maurice
77%
Spates.
dal campo ragazzi.
And States primarily Clark,
Stiamo
pick
massacrando
and
Golden
pop big
State.
man.
Yeah, I like his nice soft touch, Kevin. It's really solid in the mid-range area. He's a pretty decent
domani
rebounder
esce
as
la
well.
play,
I think
ragazzi,
he's
domani esce la
a
play
very
4.
productive backup and young enough
E vediamo
to where
com'è,
he's still
sono
got
proprio
some room to
curioso.
grow.
The
E
Warriors
comunque la
making
domanda
a
se la
switch
prenderò
here.
sì, prenderò anche la
Azili's
play
checked
4,
in.
però più avanti.
There's 57 seconds left to play in the third.
Vai, bravo come no!
Here's Bazemore. And the Warriors miss again.
Boy, for my taste, he's far too inconsistent with that shot. I mean, he's got to make those if he's going to take his game to the next level.
Molto veloce.
Here's the chosen one. He's got 20.
Bravo.
Here's Rush.
Assist.
That one's good from the corner.
solo reti per il nostro compagno di squadra. 6 assist è vicino, sarebbe bello fare l'MVP della partita mai fatto finora. Dai, sarebbe bello proprio adesso mentre registro, sembra una figata incredible. No,
Steve, just like you, when you shot, you had a
Green.
favorite spot on the floor when you played. His favorite spot seems to be that three from the corner.
Pessima stoppata, che provo sempre e alla fine di sto partita me le sparo sempre.
Well, at least the defender got his money's worth on that one.
Ok, quarto 104-73, siamo messi abbastanza molto. Ah, che stupidi.
Foolish play. I mean, he's got to be thinking out there while he's playing.
Well, the lead's only going to get bigger unless they shore up those mistakes. They got to tighten things up here.
O'Neal's checked in for Golden State. Douglas
Fallo, non toccare il
so on the
cubedone.
floor for Utah.
Era il
The
cubedone,
chosen one in at point guard. Jeremy Evans is out there with Williams. Then it's John Lucas, and it's Gobert in at the center, filling out the middle.
Bravo.
Evans kicks to Gobert. Feeds to Lucas.
Bravissimi.
Here's the three.
Peccato, O'Neal recupera.
The Warriors go
Douglas.
the other way. Here's Douglas.
E ancora il Cube, ma che cazzo fa questo Cube? 3 stoppate, Cubetta veneziano.
Gets it to him.
Mamma mia ragazzi, che tempismo con sulle stoppate. Ne sbaglio tante, ma ne faccio che tante giuste. Non è facile stoppare NBA.
Shoots the three. And the Warriors get it back.
Buono, mi
And
piace,
we're
mi
about 3
piace.
minutes into the fourth
Bogut.
quarter. There's the dish to Douglas. And the Warriors miss again.
Boy, with an open look like that, he is so gifted. Man, you got to play better defense. Eventually, he's going to make you pay.
Palla a Utah.
Three-point land or anywhere on the perimeter, really, because he is a deadly shooter. You've got to do a better job defensively.
Jefferson's checked in for Williams. They set the pick. The
Bravo.
chosen one passes to
Buttala,
And the
bravissimo. Il
lineup
cubo
is
dove
good
va?
after a nice lead pass.
7
The
assist
screenplay
ragazzi, siamo a
work
meno 3,
ideally
meno
there,
3,
and I'm
meno
not talking
3.
about the screenplay you see in a movie theater. Gave him more than enough room to get that shot off.
Guarda quanti errori per i Warriors dal campo. Adesso ha fatto quel canestro però. Mamma mia.
Second three of the half.
Brutta partita di Golden
3.5
State
minutes through the
Warriors.
final quarter now. The chosen one passes to Gobert. Jazz passing it around.
Mamma che azioni, peccato.
And it's Evans missing.
Well, one of his issues is he's a player that just does not excel at fighting through contact on his way to the rim.
Here's Douglas.
Bravi, dai,
Evans with the
dai,
rebound.
shoot contropiede.
Evans has got 3
Lucas.
rebounds now in this one. Lucas the pass to the chosen one.
Bravissimo, mamma mia ragazzi,
The
che
chosen one's got
veneziano.
22 points.
Wow, such a steady
Che veneziano
hand. He's
oggi
the one
ragazzi,
responsible
all'Oracle
for getting them this
Arena.
late lead.
Can't argue with that at all, Steve. His shooting percentage has been off the charts.
Here's Curry with the three, and he gets it to go.
Fourth overall, so he's having a nice game from outside.
The chosen one passes to Evans. Here's Gobert.
Bello, e c'è anche il rimbalzo e il canestro ragazzi. Il rimbalzo offensivo il cubedone. Devastante ragazzi, Cube devastante. All'inizio mi sembrava magari un po' così e il migliore partita in assoluto. Forse non arriverà al double-double, ma chi se ne frega.
Can't hit. Excellent D there from the chosen one. The foul called on
24
Festus
punti,
Ezeli.
7 assist per il
That's foul
talentissimo.
number 2 for him.
E sì,
The chosen
bravo,
one
mettila.
passes to Evans. And the rejection by O'Neal. Here's Iguodala.
solamente stabilire sulle doppie doppie.
And he drops in the layup off the glass.
Non riesco di perdere troppe palle.
Typify what he's all about. Just gritty, determined play.
Here's the chosen one,
Bravo,
defended by Douglas.
ma perché l'ha
It's Jefferson
passata?
outside.
Per carità, è venuto fuori qualcosa di devastante.
You
Guardatelo.
might not think of him as
Però-
a laser three-point shooter, but that shot was there for him, and he had to
Questa è
take it.
veramente una delle migliori partite in assoluto di Utah.
Here's Ezeli. Utah with the rebound. Jefferson's got 4 rebounds now tonight. Out of bounds, Golden State takes possession.
Poi Kume è andato. Vai, passaggio un po' di merda però, dai.
So it's the Warriors
81% del campo comunque. Mai fatto nella mia vita.
And here's Douglas. And it's rejected.
Grande rimbalzo, anche i rimbalzi adesso arrivano, Che rimbalzi, forse ho la statistica più bassa dell'NBA. Bravissimo, bravissimo, una partita da incorniciare, ragazzi. 2 rimbalzi, 2 stoppate, palle recuperate. Fioi. Questo è il Kumendone. Poi per mai Golden State non difende neanche più, neanche essere sinceri.
You know, his finishing ability leaves a lot to be
8
desired,
assist,
guys.
la seconda doppia in carriera.
Bravo.
Grandissimo, mamma mia che veneziano.
Well, they've played terrific basketball at both ends, and that's why this
is incredible,
is
Kume.
totally
Incredible.
Really been an almost flawless game for him, Steve. No doubt about it.
Sono talmente coglione che rimanda fuori.
Curry dishes to Douglas. And they get it. And the shot is good.
Segnare il suo uomo.
Douglas has got a pair of threes in the fourth quarter for the Warriors.
And another three-pointer to their second half total.
Yeah, they caught that
Siamo tranquilli, ce la
long-range
possiamo
bug
fare
at halftime.
abbastanza tranquillamente,
Bombs
secondo
away
me.
ever since.
Evans, a screen on Douglas. Lucas, the pass to the chosen. Here's Gobert, defended by Douglas.
Vai
6
Jefferson.
to shoot. Jefferson kicks to Gobert.
Bravi,
And there's
molto
another one
bravi.
for the Jazz.
119-84 ragazzi. Utah
Warriors
Jazz,
shooting around 40% from the floor
fenomenali.
Outside Curry.
Occhio. Però veramente Golden State sta vaneggiando,
Kevin, I didn't like that defensive
No,
effort
dai,
at
facciamo
all,
la
but
doppia
they're
doppia, dai
lucky
che la
he
facciamo.
missed it.
Yeah, they were
Uno
very
in mezzo.
lucky defensively because there was some miscommunication there. They left him wide open.
Bravo!
Double
double, seconda double, 24 punti, 10 assist, 2 rimbalzi, 2 stoppate.
Che dominio ragazzi, 81 dal campo. Stiamo tranquilli, divertiamoci.
Looks for O'Neal, gets it to him.
Che
He feeds it to Bazemore.
è venuta fuori la partita perfetta proprio con voi, io godo.
Shot that one, missing. Utah's gone 1 of 2 from three-point range here in the fourth. The chosen one passes to Jefferson.
Ed è ancora
Utah,
assist.
another
Mamma.
three.
No, non ho parole, che pista, mai fatta la partita così. Mai fatta. Che
Yeah, they're
culo.
making the right play. They're working together, and they're just looking for the best shot they can every possession.
Sto giocando male, però.
Looking to end the run, and the jumper is on the mark. Here's the chosen
Il
one.
Kume ragazzi è l'assist facile. Il Kume è l'assist facile.
Dishes to Evans. Passes it to Lucas. Nice ball movement by Utah. The feed to Evans. Here's the chosen
No,
one.
questa è una
Started by
brutta palla
Bazemore.
persa.
Out of bounds,
Volevo...
Golden State
Ho
takes
preteso un po' troppo, va bene.
Such a
dai.
careless pass.
Diciamo
Gotta
l'unica
keep your
macchina
head
sta
in the
partita è
game
che
here.
sono andato a perdere un po' di palle. Avevo un bello striscia di 3 partite con solo una palla persa. Sono tornato a problemi di antichi,
Lucas with the
però
rebound.
non frega niente.
Not
Un po'
his
di
forte.
partita va
I don't really like that shot, and you can tell the defense is just asking him to take it.
Back to Evans. Evans left side.
That's just a flat frustration foul right there.
Adesso trovare spazio per tirare.
Down like they are, he just took it out on his opponent. I mean, you've got to keep your composure. I don't think that was one of his best moments.
Just 5 on the clock. Pass to the chosen.
Vai. E ancora. Ma ragazzi, il Kumendone sta veramente dominando la scena. 12 assist. Però un po' più assist che punti. I punti sono 24.
Right wing. Here's Green. The shot no good, a bit short.
You know, when the shot's not there for you,
Ma
you
forse
just
mai
got to
fatto proprio
recognize it, move the
nella
ball
storia
on.
dell'NBA
I
una
think he had
vittoria
tunnel
così.
vision right there. His only thought was to shoot it, no matter what else was
Vai.
going on.
Speravo un altro tiro.
Here's the chosen one. He's guarded by Nedovic. The Jazz need to get off a shot here. The chosen one passes through Evans.
No, non me lo dà. Cosa avevo fatto, cazzo? Spettacolo, spettacola. Oracle Arena.
138 left in the game.
Spinto l'allenatore.
Here's Nedovic to the inside. With the shot. And again, it's the Warriors missing. Utah's gone 3 of 4 from downtown here in the fourth.
And one team is just completely outclassing
Milano
the
l'MVP
other.
sta partita, poi il primo MVP della stagione e della carriera.
To be a monster win here for Utah.
And they could do no wrong today, Steve. That's right. This was a team performing to its Clark fullest capability.
Yeah, and a very satisfying win for him too. A game
E altra palla recuperata. E altra cosa positiva del Cume.
And now, for the year, this is going to take him to 7 wins.
And what a huge standout performance it was for the chosen one. And a big part of their success was his ability to keep the ball moving and finding guys when they would flash open.
Bravissimi.
And he was fouled on the way up. 2 free throws
Utah
now for him.
fenomenale.
Rudy Gobert out of France, 7-2 with a 9-7 standing reach. Think about that. And at that size,
Ci stiamo candidando
like
per
a
un
toy
ruolo
hoop for him.
almeno
He
ai
just
playoff,
reach up
però è
and
chiaro
dunk
che
it
mancano ancora
practically
2000
flat-footed.
partite, quindi
And of course, a terrific shot
mi
block.
voglio illudere troppo, però
And Nedovic kicks to Green.
se vinciamo almeno con le più piccole, diciamo qualche chance c'è, tanto con le grandi che non vinceremo mai.
68% from the field. The chosen one passes to Lucas.
Bravo, bel blocco.
Misses the three. And here are the Warriors now. To the left side wing.
Clone.
Green outside. That doesn't go either for Green.
Ed è finita, ragazzi, prestazione sublime di Utah, prestazione indimenticabile per Veneziano, seconda double della carriera, ed è finita, ragazzi, grandissimi. Voglio l'intervista però no, ma
Hi,
dai,
Kevin.
ma che è?
What were the points of emphasis coming into your preparation for tonight?
No, we just came out playing hard. No.
Io in campo spero il Cume, grande. Niente, non sono MVP. Dopo la partita ci fa fare una pompa come forse, no? Che figata.
Yo, I hate missing free throws. 2 in a row? That's just bad.
Ho fatto la mia partita della carriera, mi spacchi i coglioni.
I appreciate that.
Va bene, va bene.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Buono, ragazzi, allora ottima prestazione comediana, però vogliamo migliorare nei tiri liberi. Adesso registriamo la prossima ancora partita. Mi pare che la prossima sia ancora con Golden State, quindi un back-to-back, come dicono gli americani, mi sembra, perché
Excellent performance in tonight's game. In case you hadn't heard, you set your career high in points. How did it feel to be on such a roll on offense?
I had a lot of fun tonight, man. When your shots are falling and you're putting up points, it's really a great feeling. Sometimes you're just in the zone and you got to do what you can to take advantage of that. I was happy to make my mark on the game tonight the way I did.
Ok, bene. Grandissimo veneziano. Grande come, grande come, grande come. Vabbè, ragazzi, allora adesso qua c'è la gara, la cosa, l'allenamento con i tiri liberi. Chiudiamo qua, raga. Un saluto del Comendone veneziano. Prossima partita contro i Golden State Warriors. Raga, un saluto del Comendone veneziano. Ciao!
Commenda veneziano, commenda veneziano, commenda veneziano, lo YouTube youtubers italiano. Commenda veneziano, commenda veneziano, commenda veneziano, lo youtubers italiano.